Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. When installing a new driveway gate, fixing a barn door, or securing your shed, you may want to upgrade your gate hinges. We're reviewing the top 7 best heavy-duty gate hinges to keep your gates secure and durable. Countdown 1. Letow. Heavy-duty gate hinges. These work well for fence gates, barn doors, and wood sheds. They're durable and have all the necessary hardware. Why I love them. These heavy-duty black iron hinges can withstand any weather. With screws included, they're easy to install and save you time searching for parts. The only drawback? You may need additional tools to install your gate, depending on its material. Keep in mind that the sleek black finish may not suit everyone. Countdown 2. Gudwells Industrial Heavy-Duty. Gate hinge. Discussing the Gudwells Industrial Heavy-Duty bolt-on 3/4 J-bolt gate hinge. This hinge is a beast for gates up to 1,100 pounds. It's ideal for large driveway or farm gates, and the best part? Welding unnecessary. The J-bolt design makes these hinges great. This is strong, and the lubricated ball bearing ensures smooth movement and low wear. Since there's no welding, installation is easy. The catch? Installation requires precision, and it's only black, which may not work for all gate design. Countdown 3. Pixplex Heavy Duty Gate Hinges. For larger gates or doors, try Pixplex Heavy Duty Gate Hinges. These can handle 900 pounds, making them ideal for commercial or industrial gates. The extra help matters. These hinges suit larger gates. The 7-inch size makes them stronger and more stable, and the black coating resists rust, which is crucial in wet climates. If you're not a welder, installation may be difficult. If unsure, consult a professional. Countdown 4. Sankins Self-Closing Gate Hardware. Hinges. Sankins Self-Closing Gate Hardware hinges provide extra security for pool gates and child safety. These self-closing hinges secure gates without your intervention. These hinges are 90-degree adjustable, so you can align your gate for smooth closing. They're also easy to install because they come with screws and a swing adjuster tool. The only thing? It requires some DIY experience, but it's easy. Countdown 5. Safetech Hardware. TopKlik. Self-closing gate hinges. Check out the Safetech Hardware TopKlik self-closing gate hinges for maximum safety. These automatically close the gate, making them ideal for childproofing or pet control. Adjustable tension is cool. Control the gate's closing speed to avoid slamming and accidents. Peace of mind and convenience are key. Just know that they cost more and may require a professional installer for best results. I promise, the peace of mind is worth it. Countdown 6. HLMOptimo Heavy Duty T-Gate Hinge. The HLMOptimo Heavy Duty T-hinge is best for strength and rust resistance. If weather damage is a concern, these are ideal for outdoor gates and sheds. The rust-proof coating makes these hinges rain and snow resistant. With multiple hinges, you can handle multiple gates or doors. However, these may be too heavy for smaller, lighter doors. Countdown 7. Homemaster Hardware Decorative T-Strap Hinges. Finally, Homemaster Hardware 4-inch Decorative T-Strap Hinges. These are great for barn doors and sheds that need durability and style. They support outdoor structures and add style. The decorative design and weather-resistant black finish make them durable and attractive. These may not work for heavy doors, so consider that when choosing. So there you have it. 7 awesome options to help you secure your gates with strength, durability, and style. Whether you need heavy-duty performance or the convenience of self-closing, there's a hinge here that will work for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. And let me know in the comments which hinge you think is the best for your next project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.